Installing a shower seat is one of the best design options that you should consider when remodeling or building your bathroom. Choosing the correct type of shower seat not only improves accessibility, but, depending on the type of seat you choose, can give your bathroom a completely different look and feel. This video will show some of the various types of shower seats available and discuss installation guidelines. Also, it will help guide you in choosing the proper shower seat for your bathroom. As always, you can read the full article on our website. What are the benefits of a shower seat in a bathroom? The ultimate purpose of installing a shower seat is to improve accessibility, especially for the elderly and physically disabled. These people are more prone to slipping and falling in a bathroom. Therefore, a shower seat makes taking a shower a pleasant and safe experience for them. Plus, a person who uses a wheelchair can simply move from the wheelchair to the seat to take a shower. Also, it can improve the beauty of your bathroom. What are the different types of shower seats? There are numerous types of shower seats on the market. Knowing the features of each helps you decide which one will satisfy your needs. The first type we want to introduce is the built-in shower seat. This type of shower seat is a part of the shower, and it should be built during the shower construction. These seats are usually made of the same material as the shower. Typically, they are used in walk-in or roll-in showers. If you want more space underneath the seat, you can use a floating seat. It can be built from various materials, such as waterproof wood, a single slab of stone, or tile. The open space underneath makes this type of seat a better option for wheelchair users. The folding shower seat is a kind of floating seat that attaches to the wall, and you can fold it when not in use. Like the floating seats, folding seats require careful and knowledgeable professional installation. Since they do not have legs for support, it is important to make sure they are installed properly. A standalone shower seat, also called a freestand or standard shower seat, is not attached to the shower. You can move this seat around in your shower and place it where you want. The downside to this type of seat is that they are not very safe, and we do not recommend them. They can easily move on the wet shower floor, causing accidents, especially for elderly and physically disabled people. And tub seats are designed for showers with two. These seats can be permanent, which means they are built as a part of the tub deck, or removable, meaning they can be placed on the tub and easily moved. What type of shower seats are allowed by the Americans with Disabilities Act? Shower seats should comply with Section 610 of the American with Disabilities Act standards. On Matrix Construction website, we have gathered these principles, and also we put all the necessary information on where should you install the shower seat according to the American with Disabilities Act. How much does it cost to add a shower seat? Let's be honest. The cost of installing a shower seat is a determining factor for most of us when deciding to install one, depending on the size and material. Installing a built-in shower seat often costs between $300 and $800. The average cost of wall-mounted fold-down shower seats ranges from $120 to $1,000. As you can see, there are many types of seats available, making it hard to choose. Therefore, you should decide which shower seat type best suits your needs and lifestyle, fits into your budget, and works with your shower size. If you need professional help, do not hesitate to contact us.